Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the language that is for the settings on your Microsoft PowerPoint application. So this isn't going to translate your PowerPoint presentation. This is about translating these different settings and features and different options within PowerPoint itself. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the File tab up at the top left, and then on the left panel, go down and select Options. Select language on the left panel here, and then if you want to add a language, select Add Language. Select your language you were looking to add from the list, and then select Install. If you want to set it as the Office display language, you want to have that check marked in there. Select Install, and then this will take some time to download, and then you will relaunch the application once it's done. Shouldn't take too long, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.